Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn on follow searches on your for customs sounds on your eBay app. We will go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your eBay app. So you just go up, you will click here on app, then it's going to show for you a window like this, and you just go down, then you click here on settings, then you come to settings window here, and you just click here on notifications, then you come to notifications window here, and you just go down here, so then you come here to follow it searches. Here you will click for customer sounds, you will click here on follow it searches, and you come to next window here, then you just click here on this color show notifications, and like you see color is gone, that means searches notification or saved searches it's turned off now. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.